You can order the battery used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn off the ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release lever and open the hood. You should now be able to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal, since the whole car is connected to the negative terminal. This can create sparks that are dangerous to your car's electrical system. Using a 10mm wrench, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. To remove the battery, you have to unscrew the support bar. Using a ratchet and a long 10mm socket, unscrew the front fixing nut of the support bar a few threads. This will allow you to unhook the two rods holding the bar. You can now remove the support bar. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. You can order the battery used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connections, but also to limit oxidation development. Take the new battery. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the battery support bar back in place, making sure that the two rods holding the bar are in their slots. Then, screw the nut back on. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Fix it in place with a 10mm wrench. Then put the negative terminal back on. Insert it fully before fixing it in place with the wrench. Operation complete.